Honda CMX250C Best Cruiser Motorcycle for Beginners. The world of motorcycling holds the allure of freedom, self-discovery, and the thrill of the open road. For beginners stepping into this captivating world, the choice of their inaugural motorcycle is a decision that shapes their journey. The Honda CMX250C, with its blend of accessible power, classic aesthetics, and cruiser comfort, stands as an ideal starting point. With its balanced performance, timeless design, and rider-centric features, the CMX250C offers novice riders an inviting path to embrace the cruiser lifestyle and embark on a journey of exploration. Balanced performance and approachable power. At the heart of the Honda CMX250C lies a refined 234cc single-cylinder engine that strikes a balance between power and approachability. This engine delivers a harmonious performance that enables beginners to experience the joy of cruising with confidence. Cruiser comfort and rider ergonomics. The Honda CMX250C is thoughtfully designed to prioritize rider comfort, offering a relaxed and inviting riding position characteristic of cruiser motorcycles. The low seat height, mid-mounted foot controls, and wide handlebars create an ergonomic setup that ensures comfort during extended rides. Timeless design and classic aesthetics. The CMX250C captures the essence of classic cruiser design with a touch of elegance. Its clean lines, minimalist form, and cruiser-inspired aesthetics reflect the timeless style that cruiser enthusiasts hold dear. Novice riders not only experience the joy of cruising but also embrace the individuality that defines cruiser motorcycles. Smooth handling and rider-friendly maneuverability. The Honda CMX250C offers smooth handling and rider-friendly maneuverability, making it well-suited for novice riders. Its lightweight chassis and nimble characteristics contribute to a stable and confident riding experience, be it on city streets or winding roads. Safety features and riding confidence. Safety remains paramount, especially for novice riders. The Honda CMX250C models often come equipped with features like optional ABS, anti-lock braking system, enhancing braking control and stability. This feature provides novices with an added layer of confidence as they navigate different road conditions. Urban and scenic cruiser experience. The CMX250C's versatility makes it suitable for both urban commutes and leisurely rides. Novice riders can seamlessly transition between city streets and embracing the cruiser experience on open highways, all while savoring the comfort and style that the motorcycle offers. Community and rider connection. Enthusiasts of the Honda brand form a close-knit community that warmly welcomes beginners. Joining this community offers novices access to shared experiences, valuable insights, and connections with fellow riders who share a passion for the CMX250C's cruiser lifestyle. Skill growth and riding mastery. The Honda CMX250C encourages skill development as beginners build confidence. Riders can progressively explore the bike's capabilities, fine-tuning their riding techniques and fully immersing themselves in the cruiser experience. Long-term riding satisfaction. The Honda CMX250C isn't just a starting point, it's a stepping stone for the cruiser journey ahead. Its comfort, performance, and brand reputation ensure that riders can continue to enjoy the CMX250C as they evolve from novices to seasoned cruiser enthusiasts. Conclusion. The Honda CMX250C stands as a testament to Honda's commitment to delivering an accessible and classic cruiser experience for beginners. With its balanced performance, timeless design, and dedication to rider comfort and safety, the CMX250C provides an immersive introduction to the cruiser lifestyle. By choosing a Honda CMX250C motorcycle, novices embark on a journey characterized by growth, skill enhancement, and the embrace of a cruiser community that shares their passion for leisurely rides and the joy of cruising on the open road.